Hi guys, welcome to Tovi Pogi channel. Our video today is Tovi Pogi. What is the benefits of salt water for your dog? Used carefully, salt water bathing can relieve itchy skin from allergies and even counteract parasites such as fleas, which will make your dog happy. And if your pet is a good swimmer, a swim in the ocean is just as good as a swim in the lake. It's just bigger and with more great stuff to explore. Is salt water good for your dog? In most cases, a few mouthfuls of salt water may only cause diarrhea. Consuming large amounts of salt water, however, can be fatal. Is salt water good for your dog's skin? Sea salt can naturally improve hydration and strengthen the skin. In moderation. On the flip side, too much salt water can actually be drying to skin, causing it to become flaky and tight over time. Dogs that spend a lot of time in the ocean might even develop a dullness to their coats. Is salt water good for dog skin infection? Salt water can be used to treat itchy, allergic skin on your dog, or skin affected by parasites such as fleas. You can make salt water at home, or head out to the beach if you live near the ocean, to get your dog's saltwater fix. How can I treat my dog's skin infection at home? Chamomile, calendula, and green tea have properties to soothe and cool irritated skin and reduce inflammation, making of them a great addition in a dog bath for itchy skin. These soaks are best for dogs who have hot, itchy patches of skin that are at risk of getting rubbed raw. 5 natural remedies to help your itchy dog. You know the sounds that kept you up at night. The scratching, frolicking, the chewing. Your dog is itching like crazy and it's driving you both up the walls. Chronic or severe itching and scratching in dogs can have many causes. Whether you've been asking yourself, why is my dog so itchy, for a few days as for a few weeks? It's time to get some answer. That's why we created this list of natural remedies for itchy dogs. Before you check out the list, keep in mind that some dogs may refuse acting up by a licensed veterinarian for severe itching issues. If the itching your dog is experiencing has been ongoing, or if your dog is developing self-inflicted wounds due to itching, it's time to visit the vet. chamomile and herbal tea soak chamomile, calendula and green tea have properties that soothe and cool irritated skin and reduce inflammation, making them great additions in a dog bath for itchy skin. These soaks are best for dogs who have not itchy patches of skin that are at risk of getting rubbed raw. If your dog is inconsolably itching over, fill up your tub or sink with warm water and let several herbal tea bags and let your dog soak in the bath for at least 5 minutes. Alternatively, for smaller itchy patches, steep 1 or 2 tea bags in about 2 cups of hot water. Once the tea has cooled down, puree on your dog's skin as a quick fix, letting it drop dry without rinsing. Apple cider vinegar for itchy dogs. Apple cider vinegar is a natural, safe soothes for especially dry, itchy skin. The antiseptic and antifungal nature of apple cider vinegar make it a great form of relief from poison ivy, but not or sunic. Soak their paws in the solutions for up to 5 minutes. Oatmeal bath for itchy dogs. Oatmeal is an age-old remedy for our dog itchy skin that happens to be safe for use on our canine friends. In fact, most doggy hypoallergenic shampoos include oatmeal as an active ingredient to soothe and fight irritation. Start by grinding plain oatmeal into a powder to sprinkle in your dog's warm bath. The oatmeal will typically take 10 to 15 minutes to cool down red, angry skin, no matter the cause. It is also non-toxic, so it's okay if your pet licks some off during their long bath. If this sounds like a long time for your pup to be in the tub without a struggle, try some of our Techniquesto curb bath time fears. Another option to avoid a full-on bath is to make an oatmeal paste. Take your ground oatmeal and gradually add a little bit of water until you are left with a paste that has esprit de piquancy. Target spots that have been bothering your dog and make sure the paste is in contact with the skin on longer hair dogs for maximum relief. Sugar-free plain yogurt. Feeding your itchy dog plain, unsweetened yogurt may offer many health benefits. Some yeast infections and skin irritation can stem from your dog's digestive system. This remedy is good for dogs who have certain types of rashes or allergies. Before you feed yogurt to your dog, be sure to check with your vet about the potential risks. Feeding small dog 1 teaspoon of yogurt and big dog 2 teaspoons a week will improve their overall gut health. Most dogs like the taste of yogurt in its own, but it can also be mixed with food to help digesting coconut oil for itchy dogs. If you have been asking yourself, what can I give my dog for itchy skin if nothing else is working? Then coconut oil may just be the perfect remedy for your pup. Its high viscous cider immediately soothes, while its other components help TC calm the skin right away. The best oils for dogs are those that offer the kind of viscous protection needed to create a natural barrier between angry skin and the environment. For this reason, coconut oil is among the best oils for canine skin, which is why so many products for pups use it as a key ingredient. Many natural beauty products now contain coconut oil because of its antibacterial and antifungal properties. It is also an excellent moisturizer for canines, as the oils can penetrate fur for direct contact with the skin. Dogs who are suffering from eczema, allergies, yeast infections, and even insect bites and stings can all benefit direct application of coconut oil. Put coconut oil in the fridge or a cool place so it turns completely solid. For quick relief TP dry skin, massage the oil into the coat and on the skin of your dog. Over time, you'll notice your dog coat improving along with relief from constant itching. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Keep safe, everyone. Mega love shout out to all my friends and subscribers. Please share, like, and subscribe.